Okay, so we are here now in actually, it's my dining room. And do you see these oyster shells? I used a certain type of construction glue so that they would be joined together. In the next video, I'll be telling you what kind of glue you can use. So here you can use it like a candle, like, do you know those round candles things, tea lights? You can put a tea light here, a tea candle, or maybe your mom could place her rings, earrings here, necklaces. So I have three, okay, with fake pearls. This is a sauce bottle, my mom's sauce bottle. Usually, when she would make ulam or viands that require sauce, she would use this. However, there's a broken part somewhere at the tip. So I had to repair this and then covered it with tissue paper, ornamented it so that it would look like Aladdin's lamp. Okay. This is another liquor bottle with some fake rhinestones. My co-teacher requested that I gave him one of my Aquaman bottles. So in exchange, he gave me this tall bottle, which I then decorated. Okay. Look at the pieces here. Do you see this one? These are lace patterns. And then I put some beads. Okay. Mga lace sa mga lumang damit ni mom or ni mom nyo. Baka may natastas na sila o nasira na silang mga lumang barong. You can cut those patterns and glue them before painting them. Okay. My neighbor, one time, I was on my way home from school, and I saw this at the garbage. My neighbor threw this. This is originally, I think, yellow or green, and then I covered it with tissue paper, painted it, and ornamented it. So it looks like one of those bottles from Persia. Okay, this is a sugar container. This is an old bottle. You know, my mom and dad had this maybe 1970s. I was still in elementary, grade 3, and I would see this in the cupboards, in the cabinets. And it has been with us for a long time. So I asked my mom for this and I decorated this. Okay, look. And my mom has an old brooch. So I placed mom's brooch there to change the shape. This is like cork. And let's see, you can open this. It's made of cork. Okay? But I covered the part with tissue paper and painted it. These are, do you know this ones here, the lace? You find them I bought them sa Divisoria kasi. And sometimes, let's say if you're Catholic and you go to the church and you see the dresses or the clothes of the Santos, of Mary, the figures, the images of Mary or Santo Niño, they have these gold trimmings. I bought some and used them to give this bottle a different kind of look. Okay, so those are the things that you can use. Okay, so now you have seen some of my works and the materials I have used. As I have said, you can use bottles, cans. I have something like this, but it's made of an old pot. You know, pag araw ng patay, people would buy flower arrangements for the dead, and then they would leave them in the cementerio. The house we bought was had an empty flower pot, so I rearranged it and gave it a look like that. Okay, I'll be showing it to you when I start with the DIY video on bottle art. I'll show that to you. So that's what you can, those are the things that you can use. A lot of things, there are things in your home that you can use.